Seeing any insect infestation in our garden is always full of worry. Mealybugs or aphids are one of those insects which you must have spotted in your plant. Plants like tomatoes, hibiscus, pomegranate, basically in flowering and fruiting plants, because these plants produce more sugar comparison to other ornamental indoor plants. Hey all, welcome to Garden Wise. I am Shivangi and today I'll be talking about how to treat mealybugs. Before moving ahead, I would like to remind you, please subscribe this channel and help me grow. Mealybugs, how they come to your plants. Mealybugs are part of garden's ecosystem. If you give water and fertilizer to your plants, it results good nitrogen level and many healthy new growths. These new growths and moisture attracts mealybugs to your plants. Sometime when we bought plants from nursery, we accidentally bought these bugs to our plants. They accidentally come with soil or leaves of that newly purchased plant to our garden. So be very attentive while choosing any plants from your nursery. If you want to know how to choose plants from nursery, comment down below. I will try to make video on that topic also. Now, why mealybugs feeds on our plant? We all know plants make food, which is basically a sugar substance. These mealybugs suck sap, that is sugar or minerals, from our plant. So, more sugary plant results more bugs. Now, how to know that our plants are getting infected by these bugs? If your plants seems droopy or its leaves are curling or shredding, even when you are fertilizing and watering your plant properly, then there must be any infestation. Ants are one of the major indicators of mealybugs in your plants. If you spot ants in your plant, then this is negative sign for your plants, because ants and pest shares a mutual relationship. Actually, these mealybugs suck sugar from your plants and excrete honey sap, which is food for ants. So ants eat this food and as a return gift they protect the eggs of mealybugs. सरल भाषा में कहा जाए तो ये mealybugs हमारे प्लांट से न्यूट्रिशन सक करके कुछ तरल पदार्थ छोड़ते हैं जिसे कि चींटियां खाती हैं, और बदले में ये चींटियां mealybugs के अंडों को और mealybugs को सुरक्षा देती हैं। चींटियां इस बात का ध्यान रखती हैं कि कोई और इंसेक्ट पौधे पर ना आए और इन mealybugs को ना खा पाए। As I said, mealybugs are part of ecosystem. So we all know in our ecosystem there are producers as well as destroyers. For these mealybugs, there are predators like ladybug or lacewings. If in your garden there are ladybugs, then you are blessed. Now, how to treat these bugs? Here I am going to say one thing. If your plants get infected, then try to treat it with natural remedy. If infestation is very high, you can go with chemical way also. And if you are treating any of your veggies or vegetable plant, please try not use any chemical, because using chemical you are ensuring to eat some chemicals via that veggies.
Mealybugs are white, soft-bodied, cottony looking insects with a protective waxy coating. They have sucking mouth part through which they suck the fluids from green leaves and stem. They are like plant scale and aphids. They suck essential nutrients from our plant and are very harmful in long run. When your plants are infected with these mealybugs, you cannot see the drastic decrease in the plant's health, but in long run they are very harmful because they suck nutrients from our plant. These mealybugs like to hide under the leaves, on birds, even in newly bloomed flowers. When you spot very less number of infestation in your plant like 2 or 4 mealybugs, then you simply pick these bugs and throw them away. As I said earlier, these bugs try to hide themselves under the corners and underside of leaves, so be very careful while removing them. If your plant has only 2 or 3 of these bugs, then don't be lazy, go wipe them right now because they spread very quickly. When your plants are having frequent brown leaves or leaves dropping, you can see here this plant are having new growth, but there are some leaves which are turning brown. So after inspecting, I found mealybugs on my syngonium plant also. I quickly throw away that bug and wipe off the leaf of my plant. Don't forget to wipe off the back side of leaf because there can be eggs of these bugs. Whenever you find any ants crawling around your plants indoor or outdoor, or you observe making any nice trail of these ants from a plant, go take some time and examine your house plant closely for these sucking pests. As you can see, this plant have more bugs, so I am going to spray neem oil solution on them. Take neem oil and any mild shampoo. Try using any herbal shampoo and mix them together and spray gently to your plant. For quantity, take 2 teaspoons of neem oil and 2 teaspoons of shampoo in 1 liter of water. If you like to wash your infected plant, then lie down your pot and then wash. Otherwise, these bugs go down to your roots and infect your plant. If a plant becomes severely infested, consider using neem oil after washing because neem oil is organic natural insecticide for plants to control the pests. If you tried every natural remedy and it failed, then you can try on chemicals also because it is better than losing a plant. Here I am taking Dettol hand wash with bleaching powder, mix it well and spray on your plant after diluting it. Spray it on infected part of your plant. Do this process in the evening. It will reduce the chemical shock for plant. And on next morning, do not forget to wash your plant with normal water.
And sometime we try our best to save our infected plant, but we fail. Then it is very okay because gardening is complete process of learning, so there must be some failures for a lesson. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. And before leaving, I would like to remind you, please subscribe this channel. Press this red button below and subscribe my channel. And I would like to please you to follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. I do daily gardening updates there and share some important gardening tips. You can also DM me your plant queries with your plant pictures. I will try to answer them all. See you in next video. Until then, happy gardening. Bye bye.